Hey, my friend, this is Kurt Tashi, the real Ninja Marketer, and welcome to my Review Suite 360 review and bonuses. Now, in just a minute, we'll go into the members area where I'll give you a quick demo. But in a nutshell, Review Suite 360 does the heavy lifting for you by creating entire faceless YouTube review videos and bonus pages in just a few minutes. So, with this, you don't even need a camera, don't need any prior experience, or even a budget to get started earning from YouTube. You can grab Review Suite 360 and my high value bonuses from the bonus page link in the description and in the pinned comment down below. So, my bonuses include bonus number one is going to be my quick start guide. Now, this quick start guide ensures you're going to be able to hit the ground running, eliminating any confusion as you get started using Review Suite 360. Bonus number two is my ultimate thumbnail toolkit. Now, with the ultimate thumbnail toolkit, you can quickly create compelling thumbnails that increase your video's click through rate, thereby boosting your rankings and also ultimately your earnings. Bonus number three is my content calendar planner. Now, the content calendar planner helps you maintain a consistent upload schedule, which is crucial for growing your YouTube channel and maximizing your income potential. Bonus number four is my video engagement boosters. Now, by implementing these engagement strategies, you'll see increased viewer interaction, leading to higher rankings and more sales using Review Suite 360. Bonus number five is my Niche Finder Toolkit. The Niche Finder Toolkit enables you to focus your efforts on profitable areas, speeding up results and increasing your overall earnings. Now, let me walk you through a quick demo.
Hey guys, let me give you a quick overview of ReviewSuite 360. Inside the dashboard, you'll find sections like New Project, My Projects, Bonus Library, Branding, Instructions, and Support. If you're just getting started, we have kept all the step-by-step training on Instructions section. First, you go to the Branding page, upload your picture, add your name, and support details. You can also connect your custom domain for your bonus pages, and we've included detailed instructions to help you set it up easily. Guys, let's start by creating a project. Let's say we are promoting this product called Redify AI. You add your link, sales page link, and the affiliate page link so that the complete product information and funnel information gets analyzed by our AI. And don't forget to add your affiliate link and bundle affiliate link so they will auto-populate on the bonus page. Now you can define the category of the product. Let's say AI tools, creators, freelancers, the audience that you want to target, and then hit the analyze and generate button, and our AI will analyze the complete product details and it will generate everything, the key features, headline, subheadline, and then you can select the number of bonuses that you want to generate and hit the button and it will automatically generate the bonuses. Okay, if the bonus content is generated, now you can select the delivery method like externally upload your file, or you can use the app content if you are planning to create the bonus inside this app. Now let's create a cover. So we have two formats, 3D format and 2D format. You can select the different variants and you can edit the heading, subheading, main heading, and your author name. And if you have any particular description, you can mention that. Choose your color and your ebook cover will be generated. Your bonus cover will be generated within few seconds. And you can also edit the description of bonuses. You can upload the file that you want to deliver. If you have an external bonus, see, wow, the bonus cover is ready. And now we are going to build this bonus. So first we're going to generate the outline for this bonus, that is Reddit Engagement Mastery. And see, our 7 chapters got generated. Now we are going to expand each chapter one by one, or we can hit this button and the complete ebook will get generated within few minutes. All right, now we can select the design. We have 5 different templates of ebook and different fonts. You can even enter your branding and everything will get reflected on the final ebook. And now you can preview it right here. Once it is finalized, you can publish it and it will be available directly on the access page for your user. Now our first bonus is ready. Similarly, you can create the other bonuses and it will be automatically delivered from the app. Let's customize the bonus page. At the top, you'll see the section order, which defines the full structure of the page, like the sales hero, product details, bonus titles, CTA buttons, urgency timers, and more. The entire page is automatically generated, including product and funnel details are already filled in. Below that, you'll see the bonuses that we created earlier. The system also adds your branding if you've done the branding setup earlier. If you want to edit anything, you can change text, fonts, colors, and customize the entire page. You can also choose different templates. The page loads with a default bonus page template, but you can easily switch or modify sections. For example, you can edit the hero section, update the CTA buttons, or customize the layout. There's also an option to add urgency elements like a countdown timer. You can set a specific date and time, or even add a 24-hour countdown. You can also include coupons or discount codes if needed. Next, upload your product to cover image, update the text if needed, and save your changes. Once everything is ready, simply save and publish the page. Your bonus page link will be generated instantly, and you can preview exactly how it looks with the product. Details, bonuses, CTA buttons, and branding all in place. Finally, there's an access page where buyers can claim the bonuses you promised. And this page is automatically created with your branding, name, and support details. If you want, you can also manually add more bonuses or reuse bonuses from previous projects. And that's it. Now let's create a review video. First, go to script settings where you can define the direction of your video, including the key features, benefits, and bonuses. Based on this, the system automatically generates a complete review script. The script is divided into 3 blocks. Block 1 is the introduction, where you talk about the product and bonuses. Block 2 is the demo section, where you show the product in action. Block 3 is the scarcity and closing part. You can edit any section of the script if needed. Next, move to step 2, where you record the video. You can choose between camera mode or faceless mode. In camera mode, first allow the camera and microphone on your browser or phone to enable recording. You can adjust the font size, speed, and settings for comfortable reading. Then start recording and read the script from the built-in teleprompter. Once you finish recording block 1, it gets automatically added to your project. For block 2, you can either upload a demo video or record your screen while showing the product. Just select the screen you want to record and start demonstrating the software. After saving the recording, the video will appear in the demo section. If you want, you can also record screen with camera, or you can directly upload the ready-to-use demo video provided by the vendor. I'm going to upload demo video of Redify AI here. Finally, record block 3, where you present the offer and closing message. Once all 3 blocks are ready, the system stitches them together into one complete video. Now you can see all 3 block clips got loaded on the timeline editor. Here you can edit each clip as per your need. Not just that, you can also add your logo, branding, text overlays. And background music to make it look more professional. There are also built-in caption styles that you can apply and customize. Wow. Look, this is how the caption will appear on your final video. When everything is ready, submit the video for rendering. Now, please don't close this page. This may take some time, but after a few minutes, your final video will be ready. It's ready to download. You can download the video from here and also generate YouTube ranking content, including the title, description, and tags. Make sure to include your affiliate or bonus page link in the description. Once everything is complete, click Add to Bonus Page button below the video, and your review video will automatically appear on your bonus page You can also generate a thumbnail using the built-in thumbnail creator. Upload the product cover, add your image, adjust the design elements, and customize it as needed. And within a few seconds, your attention-grabbing thumbnail is ready to publish on YouTube video. Now, coming back to project summary, you can see right inside from one dashboard, we have created all the bonuses, bonus page, review video, and the thumbnail. Finally, share the access page link with buyers so they can claim their bonuses. And that's it. Your complete review video and bonus delivery system is ready.
Now, my friend, thank you very much for watching. Now, don't forget to grab ReviewSuite 360 through the link below to access these exclusive bonuses. Remember, these bonuses are only available for purchases made through my link. Click the link below now.